So as long as it flies, today I will do battery check. Now see, this knows that direction. So when I push, it goes that way. When I rotate, even though I'm rotated, the push is still going to go that way. So it knows the magnetic direction it took you off in, and it's always going to do that same direction. I can get it into what I call helicopter mode, where it will fly, pedal turn, nose rudder. But for now, it's just me right here. I'll show you. I go now into helicopter mode. Front is front, and in order to make a turn, I have to rudder the turn. It's always gonna go in that direction. See?
Okay.
So when I go into intelligent orientation, now a pull's gonna take me straight back.
Pretty damn complicated.
Yeah, wow. That's what I'm doing it.
How long is that battery?
That's what I'm hoping for 15 minutes.
Okay. When's it gonna head east? It's gonna go out and try to find his little baby and find the other one.
You will see me run the same program. You will see me running. Like a bat out of fucking hell. Those servos are 300-ounce torque servos on articulated arms. Wow. When that landing gear comes down, it'll take your finger off.
Seems like an overkill.
That's pretty cool the way they
Oh yeah.
He's showing off a little bit now. Yeah, that gear. If you look at the mechanical arms on that.